Hi everyone, you want to change your username on your laptop or your desktop. So let me show you a quick and easy way to do it. So if you are ready, let's do it. Change your username. First thing to do is press Windows R on your keyboard. When you press, this dialog will appear and type in this. You can see net PLWIZ. So after that, go to OK. And this dialog also will appear. You can see this is my username. To change the username, double click on the username and it will appear like this. Let me add this. Let me just change it to something else. Okay. After that, you can add your full name, description to remind you anything about the username. So after that, come down here, go to apply, and after that, okay. So this means I have successfully changed my username. You can see the new username here. You can see it here. So after that, I have to restart my PC to apply the changes. So that's all. So if you like the video, share with family and friends, and also you can leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.